How to add link in Résumé in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a clickable link to your resume using Canva. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Canva. And here, make sure that you are logged in with your account. And once you are here on the main dashboard, you can either open up your existing resume design or simply search for a template if you are starting from scratch. So for this video, I'm going to start fresh. So I'll simply choose a resume template from Canva library. And here, once you have selected and opened the template, simply zoom in and pick a spot where you want to place your link. Now you can either add it into existing section or create a new text box specifically for a link, which I recommend because linking specific words inside a larger paragraph can be tricky. So for this video, I'll be adding a new text at the top, and here you can use any labels and link that make sense for your resume. And once you're done with that, now click on the text box you have just created. And after that, simply click on the three dot icon, and after that a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, simply click on link. And after that, on the new pop-up menu, you can simply paste in the URL that you want to link to. For this video, I'll just use google.com so we can see how it works. And once that's done, simply click on done, and now your text should be linked. And now here is the important part. When you are ready to download your resume, make sure that you download it as a PDF standard, because if you choose it as an image format like PNG or JPG, the link won't work. So you can go to the share, and on the pop-up menu you can simply click on download, and in the file type drop down you can choose PDF standard and then click on download again. And once you have opened your downloaded resume, you can simply hover to the link and you should see the cursor change to indicate it's clickable. So click on it and it should take you to the correct web page. And that's it. Now your link is live on your resume. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.